What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. Today's video is all about the best TV to get for the Super Bowl. Super Bowl is the most watched event every year on television here in America, and it's widely watched all throughout the world. And I wanted to talk about a TV that I think is amazing for watching the Super Bowl on. It is this one right here, the TCL 98-inch S5 4K television. It is amazing, and it's an amazing deal right now. It's literally 2,000 bucks. I know that sounds like a lot, but when you add in that it's a 98-inch TV, 4K, amazing sound, amazing viewing, that's what makes it amazing. It's just an amazing thing overall. And this television, you're gonna wanna protect it, and that's for sure, because if you don't protect it, it might break. What if you punch the television after your team wins or loses out of excitement? Well, you're gonna need to protect that, and Aquo is a great thing to have. So with the Aquo plan, you can protect up to 25 devices, including your phone and basically all of your home electronics for just $15 a month, including that big TCL 98-inch TV. So if you break it by accident, or it breaks on its own, or it's stolen, you're still protected with the Aquo plan. If you crack the screen on your phone, it's only 29 bucks to get it fixed. All other deductibles are only 99 bucks. You get unlimited claims, you get electronic claim payouts, easy and fast same-day repairs. Aquo plans work on new and used phones, and you can also swap out any items at any time. So check out the link in the description and use the code Greggles to not only get one free month, but also to get $50 off your first deductible. So if you crack your screen on your phone, it's completely free. Thanks to Aquo for sponsoring this video. Now, why is this TV so great? Well, it's humongous, and you're gonna want something that everybody can see from close up to all the way back of the room. This thing, every angle, you can't even, I'll just zoom in just a little bit. This thing looks amazing from every angle that you're at. It looks, it's so big, 98 inches, but it's not so big that you can't fit it on any wall. It literally fits on any wall, and I have videos about that as well. And let me just talk about that real quickly, that I've done multiple videos on this TV. I've had it for, I think, 2 months now, 3 months. It's been no problems, no issues. Setup was really easy. We mounted it on the wall. I'll list the mount that I used, so if you wanna get the same one. And I've had zero problems with that at all. The question I get a lot about this TV is, does it look good in a bright room? And this, as you can see, this is a pretty bright room. My kitchen, my living room, all there. And then the television back here, you can see it perfectly great. It's an amazing TV in bright environments, in dark environments. No issues at all, seriously. And I use this everything from mostly YouTube and sports viewing, which if you love watching sports on this, it's awesome, guys. It's freaking awesome. I have a really tough time going from this 98-inch TV back to something that's like 65 inches even. I know that sounds ridiculous, but like once you go big, it's hard to go anything smaller than this. It just looks absolutely crazy immersive in here with this 98-inch TV. So if you love watching sports, I watch UFC on this thing. I love the NFL, so I'll definitely be watching the Super Bowl on this. I love my professional wrestling, have it be AEW or WWE. All of that is just another level with this television. But also gaming. I'm a big gamer. I'm always playing Fortnite, and I love hooking this thing up to my PlayStation 5, and I game on this like a crazy man. It goes up to 120 hertz because that's what the consoles can do. Or you can do just beautiful 4K 60 on this as well. So whatever you choose, it has the refresh rates to handle it up to 144 hertz. You could plug in a gaming PC, but again, I'm using Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5, and they both look amazingly wonderful on this TCL 98-inch TV. You might ask me about the viewing angles. How are they, Greg? Are they bad? No, they're great. Look at this. I'm literally on the corner of it, and some light is reflecting off of, because of the window, but literally, you can see it perfectly fine, no problems at all. I've done multiple videos on this TCL S5 98-inch TV, and it has blown me away. And I cannot believe it's seriously 2,000 bucks at this moment. Everything's linked down below. You can get it at Best Buy, you can get it at Amazon, get it for the big game, or just get it because you want a big, huge, awesome TV. It sounds great. The viewing is great, and I've had no problems at all. Literally 0 problems with this television, and not that I expected to anyway. But if you did have problems, again, grab the link down below as well to get Aquo to protect the television. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace!